already in 2026, we've seen Oracle considering cutting 20 to 30,000 jobs, Amazon 15,000, Workday over 1,000, Salesforce over 1,000, all in the name of AI. As usual, I don't really care about the headlines. What I do care about is what's actually happening, not what big software and big tech PR narratives want you to think. And to do that, we got to follow the money, as always. So what's happening at these companies isn't AI stealing jobs. It's companies realizing they need to spend billions of dollars in AI infrastructure to be able to support these types of systems. Major cloud companies, Oracle, Salesforce, Amazon, are projected to spend over $600 billion in CapEx expensive just on their infrastructure in 2026. And $450 billion of that is all on AI infrastructure. Scale. This is one of the largest corporate reallocations in history, okay? It's truly the cost of buying hype. So when we need to do things like understand how much chips are, cooling, data center, infrastructure, other things have to shrink. It's so important that you guys understand that this is not chatbots, right? This is not ChatGPT, right? It is the backbone infrastructure, the physical infrastructure that you need to run AI. So this is GPUs and AI accelerators, okay? And so a chip can cost on average from like 25 to 40K each. So what exactly are data centers? They are large warehouses full of servers that are powered to run big AI models. Construction around AI, building data centers, has been a huge boom in that business. I think it's like 120 billion is allocated or estimated to build data centers in a very compressed timeline. So the faster, the better. That comes the electricity that we need to consume and the power around these data centers. So just to give you an idea, data centers increased over 100% plus in the amount of power that they used from 2024 because of the massive support that AI needs from these actual. And then another huge spend is for these GPUs to actually connect to each other. We need huge amounts of fiber and storage. But when we hear things in the media or from our companies, like we're refocusing our efforts on AI, that really means we're investing in chips, data centers, and massive amounts of power. And we need something to support this capital shift, which is where we see the layoffs. So it's like, cool, but what do we do with this? We're still getting laid off. Develop that economic awareness, okay? Because it's always in these restructuring, a lot of times these positions don't have that capital awareness of how their company actually makes money. If you can equate your job to some sort of tangible value, that's going to put you miles ahead. And maybe it doesn't stop you from getting laid off, but it certainly is going to give you a mindset where you go into the interview process being like, okay, how does this company make and spend money? Sneak closer to that revenue and infrastructure. Okay, that's what I'm doing, and I hope you do it too. If anyone else has more opinions, information on this, let's drop it in the comments because it is ever changing and we need to be able to have this honest conversation, not we're pivoting to be in AI and automation. Like, okay, Accenture, what have you been doing for the last 25 years then?